Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how I created this blue diamond glam look using the icy blue glitter shade and the royal blue metallic shimmer shade for the ultimate sparkling eye look. Let's get into it. So I already primed and set my eyes. Now I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and put that in my crease. Next I'm using the Essence Welcome to Sin City eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the light blue shade and the dark blue shade out of that palette and put those on my eyes. I didn't show the colors for my palette just because there's a lot of fallout from it and it's kind of messy on the messy side. So yeah, that's why I didn't show it. But yes, those are the two colors that I used. By the way, I post new shorts every Monday and full makeup tutorials every Friday. So if you enjoy beauty content and fun videos, definitely subscribe. Now I'm using the Duo Lash Glue and the Ioni XL Wispy Full Lashes. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. Now I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut to cover the dark spots on my face and neck. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Huda Beauty Setting Powder in Cinnamon Bun. For blush, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Butterfly Blush in Golden Orange To To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon Leo Lip Gloss and the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. And that's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Blue Diamond Glam tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload. See you in the next video, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.